bird just chilling. I thought he was chilling. I don't know if he's chilling because of the baby bird. I don't know. Kind of looks like a baby. Like he don't know what's going on. Let's see. Oh, okay. He's just chilling. I just wanted to make sure you was just chilling. All right, cool.